Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. At 12:26, this is what a live view outside in Weslaco looks like from our Sky 5 camera. You can see the clouds have built up a little bit more since this morning. Still a decent amount of sunshine out there to help heat things up, and it is very steamy outdoors. Right now it's 95 degrees, but you have to factor in all that lower level moisture. I have a south wind at around 12 miles per hour. So when you factor in the humidity, well, it does feel a bit hotter than actual temperature readings. So while it's 95 here in Weslaco, it does feel like 103. Check out Rio Grande City, now feeling like 110. The valley feels like 102 to 110 degrees this afternoon, and it's only going to feel hotter as the day goes on and we continue to warm up. Right now, the wind out of the south-southeast, anywhere between 12 and 20 miles per hour, still gusting near 20 and 25 miles per hour, a little bit closer to the Brownsville areas where the real gusty winds are near 25. But other than that, definitely not as breezy or gusty as it was this time yesterday. Now your hour by hour forecast will keep temperatures in the upper 90s. Some areas, talking about the upper valley, will reach the triple digits today. The mid to lower valley will stay in the mid to upper 90s. The coast expected to stay right around 90. The thing about it is there could be a few showers. So let me show you the setup across Texas. You see that there's not a whole lot of action in terms of rain today. A lot of that rain staying out near the Gulf, and that's pretty much the case. We still have high pressure still being the dominant feature, so that gives us a lot of dry and stable air. However, we are going to see kind of a weakening pattern down here near deep South Texas. That'll allow for maybe a stray shower with that increasing moisture that we do have. I'll show you more on that in a minute, but you see that a lot of the showers are draped across the Gulf Coast and up the eastern seaboard. And then also we are expecting a few showers or thunderstorms for the Gulf Coast. Then this is including the valley as well, but nothing severe is expected. To see some severe activity, you have to go up to the upper Midwest, where they are expecting some strong thunderstorms this afternoon, producing heavy rain and even some damaging wind. Possibly some tornado we'll be watching in that area, but the rest of the United States really not going to really see all that activity. So here's all that dry air on the water vapor imagery. All the brown stuff is all the dry air, and all the blue that you see here on the map indicates some moisture, and it really coincides where a lot of that activity is, the rain to shower activity. Back here at home, we just have a little bit of increasing tropical moisture, so it's gone up a little bit, but it's not completely unstable. So we need that rockiness to really get a shower or a thunderstorm going. So as we look here at Future Track and we put the high resolution model in motion, we could have a shower or two pop up later on this afternoon, but it'll be late in the day if it does pop up along the sea breeze front, and so just be prepared for it. It's not going to be widespread. We're only talking about 10% of the valley actually getting that rain. Same thing goes for tomorrow, and it'll take a while for it to start. So here's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, much like it was this morning, relatively clear after we clear out a few of those clouds, and then a few of those showers, if we get going on the sea breeze front, could pick up and move into the mid and upper valley tomorrow. So again, it's nothing widespread or heavy. Rain chances remain right around 10%. We're back to mainly dry conditions by Thursday. So the heat will return by Thursday too. We'll go from 98 today and tomorrow up to 100, only 3 degrees shy of the record on Thursday of 103 degrees. So yeah, very hot and very humid for the next several days. It is indeed summer. Now we're tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News at noon. Still in the Pacific, nothing going on in the Atlantic or in the Gulf. That's how we like it. But in the Pacific, we still have those 3 systems. And here is Hurricane Hilary that is expected to increase to a major hurricane status by sometime tomorrow. And then it'll maintain a hurricane status. But notice it's moving away, so it's not going to impact Mexico, Cabo San Lucas, or even the valley. So we're just kind of watching it just to see exactly what it's going to do at this point and just keeping an eye on things. Back here at home, along our own coast to southeast wind 15 to 20 miles per hour. High tide for you fishermen is at 2:54 later on this afternoon. There are no advisories, but keep in mind with any passing shower, there could be brief heavy rain. Your first 157-day forecast looks a lot like this. Another shower is possible. We'll keep temperatures in the upper 90s tomorrow. Back to the triple-digit heat when we take away those rain chances. And here we go into the weekend, 102 degrees for Saturday and Sunday. Shower possible again on Monday, but it's nothing widespread, only about 5 to 10% in terms of rain chances. So we'll stay in the triple digits. Your overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s and low 80s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Don't go away. Channel 5 News at noon will be right back.